Congratulations to everyone in today's live session in favor of Rajshahi Divisional Online School. How are you everyone? I hope you are very well and I am also well. Okay learners, at first take the well wishes from the core of my heart. I want to introduce myself with you, okay? I am Rafi Ahmed, assistant teacher at Greenview High School, Chapainawabganj, and YouTuber of English with Rafia ma'am. Okay learners, in today's class, I am going to teach you about English second part class, okay? And after some times, I will declare our today's topic. Okay learners, please tell me, is everything okay? Please tell me by comment. And learners, you know this is English which has earned the prestige of being an international language, okay? As it is international language, so you have to learn English. It is must for you. And for helping you, we are trying our best. Okay learners, here I see many learners have joined with us. Thank you. Nazmul Haq, fine. Thank you Nazmul Haq. Kashim Ali, thank you sir. Okay learners, in today's class, at first I want to tell you something. Okay, can you tell me what is the name of our country? I know you everyone knows this. What is the name of our country? Okay, please look at the whiteboard. Actually, the name of our country is Bangladesh. You can tell me, everyone knows about this, but why you are asking such type of simple question? But I am asking you for one reason, and you will understand the reason after some times. Okay, can you tell me what is the capital city of Bangladesh? I know you know this. Okay, actually this is Dhaka. Okay learners, can you tell me who has created us? Yes, of course. Everyone knows that Allah or God. This is Allah or God who has created us. Okay learners, and I want to tell you, I am your teacher. Here I am writing this. I am your teacher. Okay? You are learners. You are learners. Okay, learners, look at the outside. How beautiful the day is. Okay? How beautiful the day is. Yes, this day is very beautiful. Can you tell me? Yes, can you tell me? Can you tell me? Okay learners, look at this. What can you guess? What may be our today's topic? Can you guess? If you can guess, please tell me by comment. What may be our today's topic? Here you see Bangladesh, Dhaka, and after that Allah. Next one I am writing some sentences. So what may be our today's topic? Can you guess? Yes, you have guessed very rightly. Our today's topic is about capitalization and punctuation. Look at this here. The Bangladesh first letter is in capital letter. For Dhaka, first letter is in also capital letter. For Allah, first letter is in also capital letter. And here you see some punctuation mark like full stop, like exclamation, like interrogation. Okay, so our today's topic is about capitalization and punctuation. And learners, you know, this topic, capitalization and punctuation, is very common topic, and this is also from class 6 to 12. Okay, in every class we see capitalization and punctuation. So dear learners, I will tell you, please share this video with your friends. Capitalization. Our today's topic is capitalization and punctuation. Capitalization and punctuation. Okay, learners, please share this video with your friends so that your every friends can get the opportunity to enjoy our class, to enjoy our this educative class, our interesting class. Okay, learners, at first I want to show you a chart. Do you want to see? Yes, of course, I know you want to see. Okay, learners, please look at this chart. What can you see here? Here you see number 1, name of people. Okay. After that you see places, then dates, months, rivers and mountains. Can you see this? Please tell me. I hope you can see. Okay, learners, at first I will discuss about capitalization and then punctuation. So what is about capitalization? Capitalization means the rules of capital letter. When we have to make a letter in capital letter, this is about capitalization. Okay, learners, you know, when we start a new sentence, then the first letter of the very first word is in capital letter. Okay, I am giving you an example. If I give you the example, then it will be very easy for you to understand. Okay, here I am writing, we are learning English. Actually, now we are learning English. Okay, learners, here look at this. This is very new sentence, and the first letter of every new sentence will be in capital letter. Here, look at this. This is the first word of this sentence. And what is the first letter of this sentence? Here, first letter is W. This is the first letter. So, for every new sentence, the first letter of the first word will be in capital letter. Do you understand? If you cannot understand, if you have any problem, if you have any question, please tell me by comment. Okay, I will try my best to solve you. Okay, then I am writing English is my favorite subject. English is my favorite subject. Here you see another new sentence, and this is the first word of this new sentence, and here this is first letter E. So E is in capital letter. Okay, learners, I have told you first one rule of capitalization, and this is very important. Okay learners, next you see the another thing from our chart. Okay, look at this. What is this? Name of people. That means you will keep in mind proper noun will be in capital letter. Name of people. Okay, if it is in the first word of a sentence, it will be in capital letter, and if it is in the middle or in the last of any sentence, it will be in capital letter. Okay, okay learners, I am writing one sentence for you. He loves Ridwan. Here you see Ridwan is the name of a people. Ridwan is the name of a person, and here I have told you at first the first letter of a sentence will be in capital letter, but here you see the name of people. You see here Ridwan. Ridwan is the name of people, so it will be in capital letter, though it is at the last of the sentence. It may be at the first of the sentence, Ridwan loves him. It may be in the middle of the sentence, okay? It may be at last. This is not fact. Actually, fact is here, the name of any people will be in capital letter. That means the first letter will be in capital letter. Okay learners, I hope you have understood it, and I am telling you again, please share this video with your friends so that your every friend can enjoy this class. Your every friend can be benefited from this class. And next one, what you see? Places. That means the name of every places will be in capital letter. Can you tell me the name of any place? Please tell me by comment. Okay learners, here I see many one have joined here, and can you tell me the name of any place? Please tell me by comment. Okay, Maulana Nazmul Haq is writing fine, thank you. MD Mesbaul Haq sir, nice, thank you sir. Paul is writing darun hocche, thank you. Abid Hassan, thanks ma'am, thank you too. Shalma Khatun Shifa, congratulations, thank you too. Irfanul Islam, excellent, thanks. Okay, can you tell me the name of any place? Okay learners, I am telling you the name of any place. Okay, like our division is Rajshahi, and I am writing here Rajshahi. This is the name of a place. So here R is in capital letter. Okay, you can say you can say here our capital city is Dhaka. Okay, look at this. Here Dhaka is the name of any place or any city, but this is at the last of sentence. But though it is last, the first letter of Dhaka is in capital letter. Okay learners, have you understood? I hope you have understood this. And next one, What do you see? Here you see this is about dead. This is about dead. Okay. Now what is about days actually? Days means the name of days. This is like what? Can you tell me? Of course, like Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Okay. So day, the first letter of any day will be in capital letter. I am giving you one example. Okay, learners? I am coming on next Sunday. I am coming on next Sunday. Okay, learners, here you see this is Sunday and this is at the very last of the sentence. But here S is in capital letter because this is the name of a day. So do you understand? The name of a day, if it is at the first, like Sunday is not our holiday. Here look at this. This is very first and this is not actually fact. Fact is that this is the name of a day. Here you see two regions. This is the name of a day, so it will be in capital letter, and this is the very first of this sentence. This is the beginning of this sentence. So here S is in capital letter. Okay, learners? Again, I am telling you, please share this video so that your every friend can be benefited from this class. Okay, learners, can you tell what is number 4? Number 4 is about months. Okay, can you tell actually what do you mean by months? It is about the name of months. Okay, so what is the name of month? Can you get? Yes, of course, why not? The name of month is like, you know, we have 12 months like January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay, so the first letter of every month will be in capital letter. Okay, it may be at the first of sentence, at the middle or at the last of any sentence. This is not fact. Actual fact is that this is the name of a month. Okay, I am writing you one example for you. Okay, here you see we will go there in next January. Okay, learners, here you see January is the last word of this sentence, but J is in capital letter. It may be at first. January is the first month of English year. Okay. Okay, learners, next one. What can you see? This is about rivers, and I hope, I know you know about rivers. Okay, you know Bangladesh is also a riverine country and there are many rivers in our country. Can you tell me any name of any rivers in our country? Yes, I know you can tell. Please hurry up. Who can tell me first? I want to see who can tell me first. Okay, learners, I am writing for your betterment. I am telling you at first, like the Podda, the Meghna, the Jamuna. These are very big rivers. But there are some small rivers in our country like Mahananda. Okay, like Punarbhaba. Okay, learners, I am writing you here one sentence. The Podda is a big river. Okay, here you see the first word is the and so T is in capital letter. And you know, for every river, here article will be the, and then you see the name of this river is Podda. So P is in capital letter. Podda is a big river. Okay, learners, if it is at the middle or at the last of the sentence, it will be in capital letters all time. Okay, if it is for Mahananda, what will you write? Of course, the Mahananda. This is the Mahananda, though this is small river. This is not fact. Is it small or big? This is the name of a river. So here M is in capital letter. Okay, learners, I hope you have understood it. And here in this page, what can you see at last? This is about mountains. That means the name of every mountains will be in capital letter. Okay. Can you tell me the name of any mountain? Can you tell me, please tell by comment? And can you tell me what is the highest mountain in this world? Please tell me by comment. Who can tell me first? Okay, I am writing one for you. This is about Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest peak of the world. Okay, learners, here you see this is Mount Everest, and the name of this mountain is what? Mount Everest. Here you see two words. One is Mount and another is Everest. Okay, and look at this here. For Mount, M is in capital letter, and again for Everest, E is in capital letter, because totally this is the name of a mountain. Okay. So you cannot write M is in capital letter and E is in small letter. You cannot write this because this is totally the name of mountain. Okay, learners? And I want to teach you another thing. And can you see? Here you see number 7. This is about huge construction. So actually, what is huge construction? Huge construction, it may be huge or small also. Actually, this is about construction. Okay, like Eiffel Tower, like Taj Mahal, like our Mango Tower. Like Mango Tower. This is the name of a construction. Okay, and look at this here. M is in capital letter and T is also in capital letter. Like Taj Mahal. Okay. Taj Mahal. Can you tell me who has built Taj Mahal? Actually, Emperor Shah Jahan has built Taj Mahal as a token of love to his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Okay, and actually these are the constructions. So the first letter of every word will be in capital letter here. It may be at the very beginning of sentence, it may be at the very middle or at the end of the sentence. Okay, next one, what can you see? Name of organizations. Now what is name of organization? Like I am telling you, I am teacher at Greenview High School. Okay, here Greenview High School is the name of organization. It may be educational organization or everything. Okay, so I am giving this example. I am a teacher and I teach at Greenview High School. Here you see Greenview High School is the name of any organization. So here green is one word and first letter will be in capital letter. And next one view is another new word and here view will be in capital letter. And then high and then school. Okay learners, have you understood this? I think you have understood this. Okay learners, then what can you see? This is very interesting and this is about pronoun I. You know I is pronoun. Okay learners, pronoun I will be in capital letter always. It may be at the first or middle or last of the sentence. This is not fact, but fact is that pronoun I will be in capital letter. Okay? Okay learners, I am writing one example for you. If you come, comma, I will go. Okay, look at this. This is I for if, but this is not pronoun I. But it is also in capital letter. Why? Because this is the beginning of a new sentence. And our today's fact is that about this I. Here you see, if you come, I will go. Here I is at the middle of the sentence, but I is in capital letter. Okay, every times I will be in capital letter. Okay, and then this is about nations. What is nations? Can you tell me the name of any nation? Yes, we are Bengali nation. Another is English. Another is Indian, British. Okay, so for every nation, the first letter of every nation will be in capital letter. Like here I am writing Bengali. We are Bengali. They are English. Another one is Indian. And next one is British. Okay learners, here you see these are the name of nations and the first letter of every nation is in capital letter. Okay. Have you understood? Yes, of course. And then you see books or articles. Okay, for the name of every book, the first letter of every word will be in capital letter. Okay, here I am writing the name of few books, and please you write the name of few books and send me. Okay, learners, I am writing the name of one book, and this is about Hamlet, which is written by William Shakespeare. Here you see this is one word. The name of this book is just only for one word, and it is Hamlet. Okay, that means the Hamlet. Here H is in capital letter, and next one you see. Can you tell me the name of any books? Of course, this is about King Lear. Okay, and you know for every types of books, you have to use article here the King Lear. Look at this. This is for two words, King and Lear. And here K is in capital letter and L is in also capital letter. Okay, learners, have you understood? And then you see historical events. What may be about historical events? Historical events, that means French Revolution. Okay, this is about French Revolution. Here look at this. Here F is in capital letter and then R is also in capital letter. Okay, and you can tell me the War of Liberation in 1971. This is about the War of Liberation in 1971. Okay, this is very important. Look at this sentence. The War of Liberation. Here I have written T is in capital letter as it is the beginning. Then W is in capital letter, L. But here you see O is in small letter and E is in small letter. But why? Actually, this is the fact. Okay, look at this. You will keep it in mind. If there are article, preposition or conjunction, just three things: article, preposition and conjunction, then it will be in small letter. You can write here it also in capital letter of, there is no problem, but you can write here in small letter as this is preposition. If it is preposition or article or conjunction at the middle of any title, then it will be in small letter. Okay, you can also write it in capital letter. Okay, learners, then you can see letters and acronyms for organization. Okay, what is the letters or acronyms for organization? Like WHO. You know about WHO? That means World Health Organization. Here when we write just WHO, then the three letters is in capital letters, because this is the acronym of World Health Organization. Like TV. That means television. Okay, learners, here T and V, these two letters is a capital letter. I hope you have understood this. Okay, learners. Then I will show you another new thing. And look at this. Here, God and pronoun. What is actually God and pronoun? You know, if it is the name of God, it may be God, it may be Allah, it may be Bhagavan, everything. But the name of God will be in capital letter. And pronoun, that means sometimes we write pronoun he for Allah or for God. Okay, I am giving you an example. Here, Allah is our creator. Allah is our creator. And He loves all His creation. Okay. Here you see, this is name of God, Allah, and A is in capital letter. Sorry, here H will be in capital letter, and then Allah is our creator. Okay. And He loves all His creation. Of course, this is plural. Here you see He, and this is pronoun, and here He is the symbol of Allah. So here He is at the very middle of the sentence. But as this is the pronoun of Allah, so here H is in capital letter. And next one, you see loves all His creations. Here His, this is also the possessive form of He, that means again Allah. So here H is also in capital letter. Okay, learners, have you understood? I hope you have understood. And next one, what can you see? Quotation mark. What is quotation mark? That means for direct speech. When we say anyone and wants speech very directly, this is about quotation mark. Like the teacher said us Allah is one. Okay, learners, here you see the teacher said us one thing, and the thing is that the teacher's speech is Allah is one. Okay, and you know, for Allah, everywhere it will be in capital letter, but here I mean to say you, this is the first word of any quotation mark. You see here, this is quotation, or the another name is here inverted comma. Okay, so here the first letter will be in capital letter. Okay, the teacher also said to us, the teacher said us, another thing is that I will go. Okay, here I is in capital letter, and the teachers said us, again he is coming. So here, look at this. Here, teacher's speech is he is coming. And here, H is in capital letter because this is the very beginning of this sentence. Okay, learners? And then you see cities or village. Okay, I have told you about Dhaka, Rajshahi, or Chapanabganj. So for every city, the first letter will be in capital letter, and it is not only for cities. This is also for village, like our Laharpur, Maharajpur, Baroghoria. For every village. Okay. And next one, you see person's title. What is the person's title? Like doctor. So here D you will be in capital letter. Okay. If it is at the first or middle or last at the sentence. Okay, learners, next you see, or it may be person's title like Soyod Nazrul Islam. Here Soyod is the title of Nazrul Islam. So here you write Soyod Nazrul Islam. Here S is in capital letter, and this is name. This is also in capital letter. And learners, next you see ship or train. That means the name of every ship and the name of every train will be in capital letter. Okay, like Titanic. That means the Titanic. Okay, I will tell you about the use of the in my next class. Here I am teaching you actually the capitalization and punctuation. This is the name of a ship. So here T will be in capital letter. It may be at the first, middle or last, anywhere of the sentence. Okay. And for train, for every type of train, for Silk City, for Bonalata, for every types of train, you have to write here the first letter will be in capital letter. And then you see newspaper and religion. What is about newspaper? Can you tell me the name of any newspaper? Who can tell first? Who can tell first the name of any newspaper? Who can tell first the name of any newspaper? Yes, this is like the Prothom Alo. Okay? The Prothom Alo. Here you see the name of this newspaper is the Prothom Alo. Here P is in capital letter and A is in also capital letter. You cannot write Prothom and Alo is in small letter. Okay? For every word the first letter will be a capital letter if it is the name of any newspaper. Like the Bangladesh Observer. The Bangladesh Observer. Okay, learners, here you see T as this is first, then B and O. Okay, I hope you have understood this. And for religion, for any religion, for any caste, like Muslim, like Hindu, like Brahman, like Kshatriya, for any religion, for any caste, you have to write. That means like Muslim, like Hindu. Here M, H, all these things are in capital letter. Okay, like Christian, like Buddhist. Okay, and then you see last one is about personification. And actually, what is personification? This is very different term. Actually, personification is a figure of speech when some inanimate object is thinking as a living human being. Okay, like death. You know, death is not any human being or living being. This pain is not like any human being or living being. Okay, but you can tell the pain is eating me, the pain is eating me. Then you think this pain as living being and this pain is eating you. Okay, so here for pain, P will be in capital letter. Okay learners, this is about actually personification. Okay, my dear learners, I have told you about the rules of capitalization, and now I will tell you the rules of punctuation. Actually, what is punctuation? Okay, and before going to punctuation, I want to play a language game with you. Okay, so please share this video with your friend so that your every friend can get the opportunity to enjoy our class. Okay learners, actually today my time is going to finish. So in our next class I will teach you about punctuation, and just for 1 or 2 minutes we will play this new game. Okay, your another teacher is waiting for coming. Okay, here I am writing one word, and this is about English. And here you see the last letter of this word is H. So you have to make a new word with the letter H, and you have to make a new sentence with this word. Here I am telling you a sentence with the word English. This is English language which has earned the prestige of being an international language. Okay, I have told, and now you make a new word with the letter H, like hard, and you have to make new sentence with that letter. Who can make new sentence and new word? Sushanta Mondol is writing here home. Thank you, Sushanta Mondol. You are the first who has told about home. And tell me a new sentence with this letter home. And last letter is E. That means again you have to make new word with the letter E. Okay learners, I will play different types of language game with you in our next class. Today here we are concluding our class because our another teacher is waiting for you. Okay learners, see you again in my next class, and it is one Thursday at 10 AM. Okay, see you again. Bye.